Oh, whoa, I've never seen these.
Yeah, those are nice. I wish we could black them.
Oh shit, it's Aurora.
Just buttons.
Whoops, it did not mean to come. What? A 30-floor Aurora.
Oh, these are slow.
What? How many?
Only 500 feet.
Dude, if these had the I bet these actually had the actual Aurora buttons, but then they just got taken out because they were beat to shit. Whoop. Let's just take a look-see poo out here.
That chime's really nice.
All right,
Like now.
we'll take a different car. I like this call button.
I gotta send this one down.
It's all right. We can write. Oh, yeah, we can. I like how the lights just. I like this
Oh, that
luxury
first one.
light fixture.
Future Nemo. Nemo. You probably forgot the actual thing. Oh, that roof here. Sam,
Well, this is a button that doesn't do nothing. Oh shit! What's up?
you need a key fob with this.
Oh, that's nice. I have to drink water.
Oh, there's a camera in there.
Here, let's let my viewers get a great view of me drink. Got some intimate content there.
I really like these tabs. Second floor lobby.
Second. Yeah, these cabs are nice. Why don't these things show up on my phone? Like,
Because the probably the front. Oh, is it just blurry?
it's just blurry.
Some of them, the frames on the indicators are just so bad that one can't think of them. ThyssenKrupp's like that. Well, not ThyssenKrupp, Kone.
Oh yeah, Kone, it looks like it's like phasing in and out.
Because the frames on it.
Yeah, the frames. It's just funky like that.
It's a bit tomfoolery, you know? A bit trolling.
We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling. We can get out here. I like the off-pitch. Oh wow.
Oh, okay. I'm like this, but this is.
Look at this. Like, oh, it's hot. I like this very classy light
These are
fixture here.
Dover, right?
Ooh, let's see. Yeah, they didn't work on the 30. Oh yeah, they don't work here. Whack. All right, that's it.